In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Crimson Desert game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Crimson Desert game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to customize your control settings, simply pause the game and then click on Others. From the Other settings, click on Settings, and here you will find the various settings, including the input. Once you go into input, you can choose from the two different presets that have been predefined for both your keyboard and mouse as well as your controller. Now, apart from choosing from the various presets, you can also press the F button when your keyboard controller is highlighted to redefine your controls. Here you can add up to 2 buttons for the same task. If you want to add a secondary button, then simply click on the blank space, and once the controller is highlighted, you can press your desired button. In order to change an already assigned button, simply click on the button that has been already assigned, and once it turns yellow, you can once again press your desired button. Once you are done, make sure to apply your changes, and now you can continue to play your game with your customized control settings. If you wish to change this at any point of time in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into Others and then Settings, and from the input controls, you can redefine your controls for both your keyboard and mouse as well as your joystick. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Crimson Desert game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.